I think there are a lot of ways that individuals are now looking for
Okay.
talent. It's just not going to a particular job board and looking for people. It's about, can I look at their work product? Can
Okay.
I see what exactly they have been doing?
Mm-hmm.
And look at the quality of work and output that people are providing.
Okay.
Does this align with who we are as an organization, and is this the right fit for the organization? You have organizations as well doing a lot. There's a lot of investment that I have seen across webinars,
Mm.
across conferences,
Okay.
across great blogs, which
Mm-hmm.
not only showcase technology but
Mm-hmm.
also showcase culture.
Okay.
And there are a lot of meetups that also have emerged where the sole purpose is not hiring, right?
Networking. Yeah.
It is about networking. It's not putting the individual through the stress of an interview,
Hmm.
creating an informal environment
Hmm.
to understand what the person brings to the table, and if that there is a real alignment there, then having a formal conversation. But it opens up a lot more avenues
Mm-hmm.
than the traditional methods of finding talent over the internet.